Now, this is iconic. The new Joy-Con 2 controllers comes with a matte texture and a slightly larger grip. At kapag i-slide natin siya sa console, grabe, very satisfying. Actually, para siyang ASMR for gamers. Pwede mo siyang ulit-ulitin kasi yung sound niya is ang sarap pakinggan. So this new magnetic locking system makes the attachment smoother and more secure, with a safety release button dito sa likod. So hindi tayo matatakot na baka biglang matanggal yung ating Joy-Cons kasi maganda yung pagkakalaki niya sa console. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin with the Joy-Con grip for a traditional controller layout. Perfect for dock gaming kung mas prefer nyo yung feeling of using controllers like the PlayStation or the Xbox. By the way, I accidentally snapped the wrong controller. So nagtaka ako bakit baliktad. Yun pala, naikabit ko itong blue dito sa orange and same goes with the other one. So gumagana naman siya. Yun nga lang, baliktad yung screen, pati na rin yung controls. Pero, eto yung bagong game changer. You can now turn your Joy-Cons into a mouse. Meron kasing sensor si Joy-Con ng pareho ng nasa mouse. Once ma-detect ni Joy-Con na may nakaharang or may nakatakip dito sa sensor, i-consider na niya na ginagamit siya sa mouse. So, lalabas na yung kanyang cursor. Kahit ipatong ko lang siya dito sa kamay, lalabas na yung kanyang cursor. Pwede mo ring i-adjust yung sensitivity, pwedeng high, medium, and low. And what is cool is pwede mong gamitin yung kahit na alin dito sa dalawang Joy-Cons as a mouse. Great for navigating news and casual games.